Hello everyone. So I just want to make a very short video on something that may not be important, but sometimes we don't even realize that those small things are or could be important. But the thing that I want to talk about today is the Emacs splash screen. Now, my Emacs is a bit customized, and usually when you use Emacs, you would end up customizing it. But I don't really use any theme or any other version of Emacs. I just use the base version, or basically I just install Emacs from the package manager. That is it. So when I launch my Emacs, I basically do it using this shortcut, and it is basically a script which is launching Emacs with a custom home directory, because Emacs home is not my home. Now the thing is that when I launch Emacs, there is no Emacs splash welcome screen. I think there are two screens, but if that is the case, what you can do, you can do Control H and Control A, and you will get this about GNU Emacs screen back. For some reason, this screen doesn't really appear when I use. I don't really think I've done any customizations in my init file, but at the same time, I don't really miss this screen that much. But I was just curious, and I was just trying to figure out why, and I was not able to figure it out. I was not able to fix it. I'm sure if I do a bit more digging, I can. But a simple solution is that if you are really missing that screen about GNU GNU Emacs screen, you can simply press Control H, Control A, and that is it. A short video, and I will try to fix it. By the way, I will definitely find a solution, because it is not really a high priority item for me, and I will let you know if I'm able to fix it. And if you know how to do it, I mean, I did try a few things when I searched online, but I was not able to fix. And I need to also clean up my init file. My init file is not really clean. There are so many things, and it's actually a problem. I don't really have a proper solution on how to maintain and format your init file and keep it clean and simple and straightforward. Mine is a mess, and maybe that is something that I should work on. I'll probably add it to my list of items to do. All right, short video, I know, but hopefully helpful. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much.